Hello! Today we will talk about the specific dangers of hydrofluoric acid. Hydrofluoric acid is used in various sectors: metallurgy, glassmaking, microelectronics, production of memory cards or solar cells. Hydrofluoric acid presents a double danger. It is acid due to the action of H+ ions on ocular or cutaneous tissues. It is also toxic due to the chelating action of fluoride ions on calcium. This chemical causes necrosis, which is associated with the risk of hypocalcemia, a calcium deficiency. This is why contact with hydrofluoric acid can be potentially fatal, even on a very small body surface. To learn more about the dangers of hydrofluoric acid and the consequences of contact with this product, watch our video about this subject. Decontamination will therefore first reduce the extent of tissue damage. It acts on the acid to prevent the penetration of the toxin, fluorine. The hexafluorine solution, which has the same mechanical characteristics as water, has been specially designed to avoid this type of chemical burn. By rinsing with the hexafluorine solution, you remove the corrosive from the surface of the skin mechanically. Then, hexafluorine reacts on the acid by chelating the hydrogen ion, H+. This chelation limits the lesion that causes the tissue damage. Thus, the fluorine penetrates less into the tissues. In addition, one molecule of hexafluorine catches up to 6 fluoride ions and thus limits the toxicity of the projection. A final physical phenomenon ensures an optimal decontamination. The hexafluorine solution is much saltier than the eye and the skin. Therefore, it causes a hyperosmolar phenomenon. The chemical will be drawn out of the tissue and irreversible damage can be avoided. There are several packages that allow you to rinse a hydrofluoric acid splash. First of all, you have an eye wash bottle of 500 ml volume. It is used to rinse an accidental splash on the eye. It is combined with an eye wash bottle of 200 ml called afterwash. This bottle contains a solution isotonic to tears. It is a comfort solution that can be used for a secondary rinsing after applying your 500 ml bottle of hexafluorine. In the event of skin splashes, the portable 5-litre autonomous shower offers the ideal solution. You can use it to rinse up to 100% of the body surface. For effective rinsing, we recommend that you use hexafluorine solution as your first choice. You should start rinsing within 1 minute of contact with the chemical and use the entire package you have chosen. We recommend that you install the solution in your risk areas, such as production, storage, laboratory, or unloading areas. Hydrofluoric acid splashes constitute a considerable risk in many industries. We remain at your disposal to accompany you and provide you with the best advice on the equipment for your risk areas. Together, we will do everything to ensure that a possible chemical accident remains an incident.